Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the new chapter surface areas and volumes, and this is exercise 13.1. This is the first question. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. What you are given? Two cubes. These are the two cubes. These are the two cubes. We have the volume 64 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये दो क्यूब हैं जिनका वॉल्यूम कितना है 64 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Let the side of each cube is equal to x. According to question, their volumes are given. Volume of each cube. Volume of cube is given by side cube, x cube. So according to question, what is their volume, which is x cube, is given 64 centimeter cube. So from here x we can calculate 4 centimeter. So what is the side of each cube? That is 4 centimeter. Now they are joined end to end. इनको जो है end से end में क्या कर दिया, आपको join कर दिया. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now length of cuboid L, breadth of cuboid, and height of the cuboid are so now just look the length. This is 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. So the length will be 4 plus 4, which is 8 centimeter. Breadth, this is the breadth. This will not change. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Again the height is here, breadth is here. Okay, they are not changed. So height will be again 4 centimeter. The question is this: find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now the surface area of the cuboid, this is given by 2L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now just put all the values. This is 2. You have length. How much? 8. Breadth is 4. B into H, 4 into 4 plus H into L, 4 into 8. This is 2 into 8 4 ja 32 plus 16 and 4 8 ja again 32. So this will be 2 into, just add them, 6 to 8 to 10, 3 3 7 8, 7 and 8, 2 into 80, which is 160 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो what is the surface area of the cuboid formed? That is 160 centimeter square. Now this is question number second. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. कोई वेसल है और वो कैसा है कि हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर जो है सिलेंडर रखा हुआ है. द डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज 14 सेंटीमीटर and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Okay, now just first look at this diagram. This is the vessel. तो उसमें क्या है, होलो हेमिस्फीयर है. दिस इज माउंटेड बाय अ होलो सिलेंडर. यहाँ पे जो है उसके ऊपर क्या रखा हुआ है, सिलेंडर. द सिलेंडर इज हियर. ओके, एंड यू आर गिवन द डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज 14 सेंटीमीटर. दिस डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज गिवन 14 centimeter. Therefore, the radius will be 14 upon 2, which is 7 centimeter. And it is given there the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक this height is 13 centimeter. It's okay. Now this is a hemisphere. So this length will also 7 centimeter. This length will also be 7 centimeter. Therefore, the height of this portion, this cylindrical portion, that will be 13 minus this 7. This will be 6 centimeter. What you are given? Diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere R, this will be diameter upon 2, which is 7 centimeter. Now just look here. The radius of cylindrical portion will also be 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius of cylinder, again suppose it is R, this is again 7 centimeter. Since radius of hemisphere is equal to depth of हेमीस्फीयर. क्योंकि क्या होता है, जो हेमीस्फीयर का रेडियस होता है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दिस इज ऑल्सो द डेप्थ. तो देयरफॉर height of cylindrical portion, that h will be given by, since the total height is given 13 centimeter, therefore this will be 13 minus 7, will be 13 minus 7, that will be 6 centimeter. Again I am writing here, the radius of the cylinder will also be, here we have written R, we can change it, let this is x, this is x. The question is this, find the inner surface area of the vessel. Now, inner surface area of the vessel is given by inner CSA of hemisphere plus inner CSA of cylinder. Inner CSA of cylinder. Okay. Now the inner CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi into r square, plus inner CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi into r, which is x here, into height. What is the inner CSA of cylinder? 2 pi into radius into height. Now put all the values. So what you will get? First look here, we can take 2 pi outside, and inside the bracket here we left x r square plus x into h. Now insert all the values, and pi is not mentioned here, so just put 22 upon 7. So this will be 2 into 22 upon 7, and just look at inside the bracket r square. What is your r? The radius 7 square plus x into h. What is x? Radius of this cylindrical portion, that is 7. And what is h? Height of this cylindrical portion, that is 6. That is 6. Now just look here, just see the calculation. 2 into 22 upon 7, and now just look here, 7 square 49 plus 7 6 this one. 2 into 22 upon 7 into, just look here, 9 into 11, 4 4 8 91. How much? 91. Now 2 into 22, 7 13 7 91. So this will be how much? Just multiply these two. 22 is 44 into 13. Multiply them. 13 4 is 52, and this will be 52 and 5, 572 centimeter square. Is it there? So what is the inner surface area of the vessel? That is 572 centimeter square. Now this is question number 3rd. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. कोई टॉय कैसा है कि नीचे जो है वो हेमीस्फीयर है और उसके ऊपर जो है कोन रखा हुआ है, एंड रेडियस ऑफ द हेमीस्फीयर एंड द कोन्स आर इक्वल. तो व्हाट यू आर गिवन? रेडियस ऑफ हेमीस्फीयर आर इक्वल टू 3.5 centimeter. It is given that the radius of the cone is equal to the radius of the hemisphere. Therefore, the radius of the cone R will be 3.5 centimeter. It is okay. One more thing is there. If the total height of the toy is 15.5, total height यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, this height is 15.5 and this height is 3.5. Why this height is 3.5? Because the radius of the hemisphere is equal to depth of the hemisphere. So therefore, this will be the height of the conical portion will be 15.5 minus 3.5. So what will be the height of the cone? H will be 15.5 minus 3.5, which is 12 centimeter. Question is this: कि find the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. Now, first, surface area of hemispherical portion, that is given by 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Just put all the value. 2 into 22 upon 7 and r you are given 3.5 whole square. So this will be how much? 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Now just look here, 7 into this 0.5, 0.5 into 2, ठीक है, 0.5 into 2 यानी 122 into 3.5. When you will multiply them, you will get 77 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the hemispherical portion. And now surface area of conical portion. Surface area of conical portion, that will be given by, cone is there, pi into r into slant height L. Pi into r into slant height, is it there? Now first we will find the slant height L. Slant height of the cone. This L is given by under root r square plus h square. R you are given 3.5 square and h is here 12 square. Is it there? So now this will be L is given by 3.5 square is 12.25 plus 12 square is 144. When you will add them, you will get 156.25. What is the value of L? Under root 156.25. And where will you will take their square root? We will get 12.5 centimeter. This is the slant height of the cone. Now surface area. Now surface area of conical portion, that is given by pi RL. Pi means 22 upon 7, R is 3.5 and this is 12.5. So what will be there? The 7 into 0.5. Okay. 11 into 12.5. It will become 11 into 12.5. Just 11 5 ja 55, 27 or this is 137.5 centimeter square. Now total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. So what will be the total surface area of the toy? The surface area of this conical portion plus surface area of this hemispherical portion. So what is this surface area of conical portion? That is 137.5 centimeter square and plus, just look there, what is the surface area of this hemispherical portion? That is 77. Now just add them. So this will 7 7 14, 22, 121. How much it is? 214.5 centimeter square. So what is the total surface area of this toy? That is 214.5 centimeter square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.